We were talking in the green room before the show about how important this one stock is to a constellation of trades that make the stock market go higher or lower.
You know, it's hard to think back over literally centuries and find a single company that had so much sway over the global economy or the global financial markets. I don't think there is one that hasn't had any backing per se from a government, even like British
like
East
Cisco
Indies.
in 1990?
Not as big as this, relatively speaking. So it is incredibly important, not just for the people trading the tick by tick right after the earnings and the call, but also when you take back a step and think about the macro picture. And honestly, this is the heart of U.S. exceptionalism. When we talk about why the U.S. outperforms for decades or more, this is it. It's tech dominance. It's the weight of tech in our equity market. It's the fact that we have companies, the Mag 7 over the next 12 months will invest $500 billion in CapEx and R&D. Wow. So put that in context, Chips and Science Act was $52 billion. So this is many multiples of that. So it's just the scale of our dominance, and Nvidia is the cornerstone of it. So whether they disappointed or not, to me, it's the fact that you have this structural advantage.
Right.
Let me make one point about that. And I think that's really interesting. That's the estimate for $500 billion in CapEx and R&D over the next, what did you say?
Next year.
Okay. So if it comes in at 450, or just think about that. What happens to these stocks? Like, they're going to go down a lot. And you know what I mean? It wouldn't incrementally take, because estimates are going up. And the one thing I'll just say, if you go back to Microsoft, they're 19% customer of Nvidia, right? And we talk about CapEx, how much it went up. It didn't go up that much, right, after they reported. And so we're not seeing the sort of step functions that we saw, let's say, 3 quarters ago and that sort of thing. They also talked about being capacity constrained, one of the reasons why they didn't have higher revenues. Now, their cloud business is growing 31%, year over year, which is fantastic. They're taking market share from AWS. I just kind of feel like we're going to go from capacity constrained to capacity over, built, that sort of thing, in the not so distant future. And so when you're coming in and you're beating these numbers just by a hair, and the stocks are still sticking around, it shows you that investors still want the exposure, but sooner or later, I think it's going to be like one of those things where you're going to start seeing a couple quarters of declines by not just the picks and shovels, but also the hyperscalers.
I think that's a ways off, though, and I think that the hard part of owning Nvidia is if everybody knows, all right, 6 quarters from now, they're going to have slower growth. When do you exit?
Yeah.
But you want to exit before all the other people decide to exit, so I don't know. There's the rub.